How to change text to speech language on Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change language on text to speech on Capcut PC. So let's dive in. So first you have to open up your Capcut app over here. Once you open your Capcut app, you have to open the project that you want to work on and then click this text option and then click this plus and add this text bar over here. Now add some text over here. For example, you want to add any text like I am playing, and once done, now you have to go to this text to speech option, and here you can see this bar over here. You can see this bar, and now you have to just slide this bar and choose any language. You have English, you have Indonesian, you have Vietnamese, you have Thai, you have Chinese, and then you have this option over here. You can just scroll through and find the languages that are available on Capcut, but make sure you have the pro version available because this is only a pro feature and only available to the people that have purchased the pro version. So make sure you join pro before using this, only then you'll be able to export it. Make sure that you choose the text over here first. Just copy this text over here. Now click this minimize section and head over to your browser. You can use any browser. I'm going to use Chrome. Now you just have to type in English to Chinese and then press enter, and then you have to just enter the text over here that you typed over there. Just enter the text over here, and here you have this text. Now click this icon of copy over here, and once done, go back to your Capcut app, and here you have to just backspace this text, and then you have to just paste it over here. Just right click and then click paste on the drop down menu, and now you have to go to this text to speech option and choose the Chinese option, and you can use any Chinese voice, and then it's going to be in Chinese. Now you have to click generate speech, and it's going to generate the Chinese speech, and that's how you change language on text to speech on Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.